Alright, what's up everybody? You got tuned into YouTube, Billy Armi Time. Today I'm showing you my alien heads, which is also a little button down there to subscribe to our channel. And these are some alien heads I've been making. I've been doing some sculpting. As you can see, I'm painting a little plaster head here. These are my little alien heads. It is the button to subscribe to our channel, Billy Armi Time. We're going to be doing some locations. Last video I showed you a painting I did of the carpetbagger, and I really enjoy his channel here on YouTube. You guys can check it out, look it up. Now what here I'm doing is this is a plaster positive casting of a little alien head sculpture I did, and these are some prototype test paintings I'm doing. You see it sped up here. I'm using an oil paint actually, oil paint Winsor & Newton. The plaster is very porous. What I'm doing here is basically applying a base coat. It absorbs quite a bit. I'm trying a few different techniques. I'll show you some other alien heads and other videos. But right now, you know, our channel is just getting started. I'm trying to introduce you guys to myself and you gals. I have some other videos on here, but I thought I'd throw this one out there to show you what is indeed our little button to subscribe to our channel, our little alien head. Little guy that I created. I'm going to be casting some of these out of resin, some LED lighting. Like I said, these are positive castings out of plaster. I'm just going to sit back and we can watch here as I just apply some pure green oil paint Winsor & Newton to these alien heads. Now eventually these alien heads will be varnished. I'm trying a number of different processes. What I think I'm going to end up choosing is using more of a two-part resin coated. It's meant to be more of a stone looking piece of artwork. An alien head worry stone is what I call them. And you hold them in your hand there, and they should be very durable so that if you drop them, keep them in your pocket, whatever it might be, they hold up. Now here's another video here. We're going to see a different alien head that I've been painting. This one is a little blue buddy that I painted with a flat enamel as the base. And the eyeballs there is a little bit of actually nail polish with some glitter in it. And now what we're doing is we're going over that blue enamel flat coating base with some Winsor & Newton transparent turquoise. I'm just going to kind of coat the outside, give it some pops, some hits, some pops to make it sing a little bit more, as I like to say. I apologize everybody, the frame is a little bit off. I could adjust it digitally, but I think you're getting the idea. And I'd rather not spend 2,000 years editing one video. I've been there, I've done that, and it's no fun. And by the way guys, I'm a comedian, actor, and whatnot in the Bay Area. These are our alien heads. It's our subscribe button. We're going to have some content coming up, a lot of content. Alien heads, here are the two. The one on the left, actually, that was painted purely with all oil paint, not an enamel. Like I said, I'm doing some different testing on the alien heads right now. Tap our alien head, everybody, and subscribe to our channel. It's Billy Armi Time. Thank you for checking us out, and I will catch you next time. Check out our Patreon, PayPal. You can tip us, whatever you like to do. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're out there, and we're loving it. I'll catch you next time, babies, on the BAT.